Hi guys, so today I'll be doing a drip glitter look, and right now I'm just doing my eyebrows, filling them in with a black pencil by Maybelline, the Define Align pencil. So I'll just go ahead and fill those in. They look a little rough right now because I was rushing, but of course I'm going to clean them up with my LA Girl Pro Concealer on the bottom. And then I'll go in with my foundation to clean up the top. Now I'm just outlining the bottom half for the drip effect, but I would recommend you do all of your foundation beforehand, and you will see why very soon. Here I'm using my NYX Primal colors in black, in hot black, excuse me, for my eyes. And then I'm going in with my pressed glitter to give it the little sparkle effect. Then here's where I put in my foundation, and you'll see once I get towards the bottom where the black is, after doing my eyeshadow, it kind of turns your foundation, a darker color than it's supposed to be. And yeah, it kind of sucks, but it's not too bad. But I would recommend doing your foundation before you do all of the black to avoid this problem. Dance break, of course. Now I'm just filling in the bottom half of my face with the same NYX Primal colors in the black. At this point I realized it's easier to mix my Freestyle primer stuff with the black eyeshadow to make it go on smoother. I did about 3 layers of this. don't mind the looking to the side. I was looking around the camera into my mirror. And then I went ahead with that same glitter and put it on top of the black. And then I added some tribal dots because who the fuck doesn't like tribal dots? I just wanted something extra. And then I went in with my highlight on my nose and my brows. Blend that out real good. And to add the drip effect, I use my NYX Total Control and just dripped it. And then I'm just going to blend it in so it doesn't look so harsh. And later on, when it dries, you won't see that line of demarcation anymore. And that's my finished look, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave your questions in the... Feel free to follow me on Instagram, Barbie with 2 eyes, Savage, BarbiiSavage. See you guys later.